Namaste. My name is Dr. Veda Prakash. I am an orthopedic surgeon by profession. I am volunteering for this initiative of Seva Bharati and Saksham, in which we are taking care of the most deserving and underprivileged sections of the society. As we all know, the COVID second wave has hit our country very badly, and a lot of people are in need of various levels of medical care from this condition. Amongst them, those who can be managed at home with home isolation methods are being treated using our teleconsultation services, which are free to be accessed for 14 hours a day. Those patients who are not able to follow home isolation practices because of non-availability of isolated beds within their houses are being offered isolation facility at Rashtriya Vidya Kendra School near Annojiguda in the outskirts of Hyderabad. There are about 200 such beds which are medically supervised and with regular nursing care and yoga therapy for those patients. And those patients who need oxygen requirements are also catered in these two facilities which have been set up about 10 days ago. The first facility is established at Andhra Mahila Sabha Durgabai Deshmukh Hospital near Vidyanagar in Hyderabad. In this facility, we have 15-bedded ICU with facilities ranging from high flow oxygen and ventilatory support if needed, and 14-bedded step-down level 2 unit which caters for oxygen-dependent patients. This is manned by skilled critical care physicians as well as junior doctors, along with support of skilled nursing care and respiratory therapists as well. We provide free accommodation, medication, health care and diet to all the patients, and also perform free investigations as and when they are necessary. In this facility, we have successfully treated around 25 patients so far in the last 1 week. The second facility that Seva Bharati and Saksham have established is at Sri Tirumala Nursing Home in Sitafal Mandi, Secunderabad. There we have about 14 oxygen beds which cater for patients with low oxygen demands, and this is also managed 24/7 with a team of dedicated doctors and nurses. And the most important aspect of the care that is being provided here is that we are strictly following the international guidelines issued from time to time by either WHO, CDC America, ICMR and AIMS. We are sticking to the basic principles of do no harm and not giving any unproven therapies to any of these patients. The important aspect of the treatment protocols here is that the treatment protocols are strictly driven by the scientific evidence that is becoming available from time to time, and we have a large group of volunteer doctors both in India and abroad who are guiding us in formulating the treatment plans as the new evidence becomes available. And the treatment is being provided by completely dedicated team of doctors and nurses, and I request all of you to be a part of this noble cause by contributing your time, efforts as well as with your knowledge sharing. Dhanyavad.